With international copper prices soaring, some Chinese manufacturing companies that rely on the metal are being forced to make tough choices, while others are finding stability for now. Thanks to its chemical and physical compounds, copper is used in most modern-day electronic devices, from microchips to electric vehicles, and global demand for it is skyrocketing. At this plant that makes components for photovoltaic and energy storage products, a manager explained that copper wires account for more than 30% of the cost of their final products. But since the industry is so competitive, they've got no choice but to absorb the increase in price themselves.
The price of copper has exceeded 14,000 US dollars per ton, which has impacted our raw material costs. While the price of raw materials remains high, the price of the finished products we sell remains unchanged.
Other copper producers have been able to pass along the costs to downstream companies like AI firms, whose demand for power is insatiable. As power consumption from a single microchip jumps from hundreds of watts to several kilowatts, server racks now require hundreds of kilos of copper for wiring. In the race to build AI data centers, the rising price of copper is a necessary raw material cost for AI firms, so they're willing to pay it.
About 15% of our revenue comes from semiconductors, including emerging areas like AI heat dissipation. But this 15% of revenue generates more than 30% of our gross profit. And for the AI products, although the base is still relatively small, the growth is extremely fast, with our annualized growth rate exceeding 50%.
Copper prices are expected to remain high this year, analysts predict, on continued supply disruptions and massive spending in the AI sector.